Hey, how's it going, everybody? Just wanted to do a quick overview. I just got my PMAS 5-inch DIY cold air kit that I'll be installing on my 24 F-150 with the Magnuson supercharger. As you can see here, I still have my PMAS cold air that was on the truck when it had the stock manifold on it. I was able to adapt this to the Magnuson by just trimming this portion of the cold air, maybe an inch and a half. So you can see it functions, it works. No real issues with it other than it's just really not designed for this application. You know, put a nice Magnuson supercharger on there, set of long tubes, and then you open the hood and it's still got the cold air kit designed for the stock manifold. So I went ahead, got with Nick James over at PMAS and ordered this DIY kit. So it comes with this 5-inch, they call it a compound bend tube. You got 120 millimeter MAF housing. He also includes a block off plate for here because the F-150 is MAP based. You got this little guy here that's kind of like a bushing, if you will, over the throttle body, to then made up to this 90 here, which is a 4-inch and then 5-inch. And a couple other couplers here to mate everything together. It's got 6 of the 5-inch worm clamps, nice and black, painted, or some sort of coating on it to make everything match. And then the bracket here, which can be mounted to the filter. As you see, it's got a couple of mounting studs. Hopefully this I can make work in the truck to where it's fixed mounted, maybe somewhere down in the fender well or something like that. So for 250 bucks, I mean, I think you're getting a lot of product here, really. If you can't make a nice cold air with this stuff here, you probably shouldn't be working on your car. But I just wanted to let you know, anybody that's looking for a good cold air kit, or something that they want to make their own cold air kit, I should say, for 250 bucks, I think this is pretty good bargain. So I'm going to take off the stock manifold cold air and see what I can get going with this. All right, so here we go. We got the finished product for the cold air. Again, the PMAS 5-inch. So I used the 90-degree silicone coupler that was there. This is the compound bend pipe, and I'll show you what I did to make that fit. This is the coupler that I had from the original cold air, and then the MAF housing and the filter. You can kind of see a little shield in there that I'm in the process of making, just to kind of keep any fan wash or hot air from being directly blown onto the air filter. We'll see if it helps with inlet air temps or anything like that. But as far as the PMAS cold air, I think it turned out pretty good. Looks a lot nicer than having the factory one in there that goes to the for the factory manifold. All right, so again, I had purchased the 5-inch DIY cold air kit, but I got another one of these pipes, which is the compound bend tube that you can get separately. I forget what the cost of just this is. I think it's like 60 or 70 bucks. So you can see here, this is the portion that I cut off of the one that was included in the kit. So basically I cut a 45-degree off of it. So from here back is the portion that I used. I didn't find that I needed the bracket here for the clamp, or I'm sorry, for the filter. And then I still have some clamps left over. In the future, I may try to make some sort of fender well cold air kit, possibly, just to see if I can get one fit in there. But for now, I think this is going to be the final product. And then again, I have a little heat shield in there that I'm going to finish tweaking, and then I'll get that painted, probably just like a wrinkle black finish or something. You can kind of see it down in here. But yeah, if you guys need a cold air kit, you want to make your own, this is I think a great product that you can get from PMAS. Any questions, just drop them down in the comments box. Thank you.